Hi everyone, my name is Lydia, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can enable Instagram product tagging for your business. There are a few things you need to know before you can enable your product tagging for Instagram, and those are: you need to have a Facebook page for your business, Facebook Business Manager as well, you need to have an Instagram business profile, and you need to have a website where you sell your product on. Another thing you might need to know is that after doing all the right settings, Instagram is going to take from a few days up to 2 weeks to review your profile and decide if they're going to enable product tagging or not. Product tagging on Instagram is a feature that allows you not only to tag products in posts, but also it leads people from the post that you tag the product in to the website where they can actually purchase that product from. The first thing you might want to do is to create a Facebook page for your business if you don't have one already, and set up Business Manager. After you do that, if you have an Instagram profile for your business, make sure to turn it into a business profile, because this is the only profile that this feature works on. And if you don't have one, create one from scratch. You need to make sure that your Facebook page is connected to your Instagram in two ways. The first way is you have to go to Edit Profile and Page and select your Facebook page from there. And the second one, you go to your Instagram settings, linked accounts, Facebook, and you sign in into your Facebook from there, and also select your page. After you make sure that those settings are all right, you need to go to your Facebook Business Manager, log in, and go to your business settings, pages, and make sure that you are listed as an admin for your page. After you do that, make sure you go over to your Instagram account and log in. And now that your profiles are all linked, your Instagram and your Facebook are in sync, you need to go over to business settings, catalogs, and click create catalog. After doing that, you're gonna have the option of choosing which kind of products you want to feature on your Instagram, and you have to click the option e-commerce. Now, there are a few different ways you can add products into a catalog. Some of them include adding a pixel, either uploading them directly from your website, either uploading them manually, which means you have to add the picture, price, and everything individually for each product. And there is the last option, which includes downloading a CSV template, filling that in, and then uploading it back to the catalog. So, to add products to your catalog by installing a pixel, you have to click the link in the description that includes all the details on how to do that. To add them manually, just select Add Products Manually and then start adding them one by one. To upload a data feed, make sure to download the CSV template first. Then I use Google Sheets to open it and to select everything that I need from there. You need to firstly write down the ID, so the number of the product. You need to give it a title, a description, the price. You also need to add the link from the website that it can be purchased from, and the link to a few images. You also have the option of writing the color, the fabric, and the category that that product is from. For example, apparel and accessories, clothing and skirts, or whatever category that product falls into. I'm going to leave a link down below with all the possible categories that you can include. What you have to do afterwards is download it back to your computer as a CSV file, then go back to Business Manager, click Upload once, and then drag that file there and click Upload. After a while, the products will be uploaded, so make sure to go to Products and see if they're all there. If they don't show up yet, make sure to go back to the catalog and see if any errors show up. If they do, they might be errors like you forgot to write the title for any product, you forgot to add price for some product. So little things like this that maybe you lost at a site, you have to go back, fix them, and then upload the CSV template again. After you've done these settings and you linked everything with your Facebook and your Instagram, you should be receiving a notification up to 2 weeks on your Instagram saying Start Tagging. When you click on that, that is going to lead you to your shopping tab in your settings, and from there you're going to be able to choose a catalog that you want to tag products from in your Instagram posts. After Instagram finally approves that for you, you're going to be able to just upload a post, and after you do that and edit it and everything is done, you're going to tag products as you're tagging people. So you're going to click on Tag Product, you're going to select the catalog that you want to tag a product from, select the product that you want to tag, and then click Share. You might want to keep in mind that you cannot tag people and products in the same posts. That was it for today's video. I really hope I helped you out, and make sure to let me know in the comments below if Instagram did approve your product tagging or not. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.